Now let's define the functional requirements clearly. What exactly are we building? Not a chatbot, not a magic AI assistant. We are building a structured retrieval based system. First, document ingestion. The system must allow uploading documents via an API. When a document is uploaded, we extract the raw text, chunk it intelligently, generate embeddings, store those embeddings in a vector store. Now notice something important. We are not storing entire documents blindly. We are breaking them into chunks because embeddings work at chunk level granularity. If chunks are too small, context is weak. If chunks are too large, we waste token space. This is an engineering decision. Then we generate embeddings for each chunk. Those vectors go into a vector store. That becomes our searchable knowledge base. Now comes the core of RAG. When a user asks something like, how do we handle database failover? The system does not send that directly to the LLM. Instead, we convert the query into an embedding. Then we perform semantic similarity search. We retrieve the top k relevant chunks. Only those chunks are sent to the LLM. Then we generate a contextual answer. That's the entire retrieval pipeline. The intelligence is not just in the model, it's in how we retrieve the context. Hallucination prevention. Now, this is critical. The answer must be grounded in retrieved context. If no relevant chunks are found, we don't let the model guess. We explicitly respond with information not found in knowledge base. This is what separates a demo from a production aware AI system. We control hallucination risk through retrieval control. Chat API. Finally, we expose structured endpoints. Post chat, post upload. And responses are structured JSON. Not messy text, not console logs, clean API design. Because this backend must later integrate with a front end, a cloud deployment, CI/CD, observability. So we are building it properly from day one. These are some non-functional requirements. The system must handle multiple documents. It must scale later. It must be secure. It must allow future front-end integration. It must support streaming later. And of course, must support AWS deployment later.